Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make cabbage okoy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 small head of cabbage, finely shredded, along with 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup of water. Don't forget 1 egg, 1/4 cup of chopped onions, and 2 cloves of minced garlic for flavor. We'll season it perfectly with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. These basic items will create a delicious and easy snack. Now, let's prepare our okoy batter. In a large bowl, combine the 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of water, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk these ingredients together until you achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. Then, gently fold in your finely shredded cabbage, chopped onions, and minced garlic. Ensure everything is evenly coated in the delicious batter, ready for the next step. It's time to fry our delicious okoy. Heat about 2 inches of cooking oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully drop spoonfuls of your cabbage mixture into the pan. Fry each okoy for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy. Make sure they are cooked through for the best texture and flavor. Once your okoy are perfectly fried, carefully remove them from the oil and place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve these hot and crispy cabbage okoy immediately for the best experience. A fantastic accompaniment is a simple dipping sauce made from vinegar, a dash of soy sauce, and a hint of chili. Enjoy this savory, easy-to-make Filipino snack that's perfect for any time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.